Health is wealth. Even if you have $1,000,000 in the bank, it all amounts to nothing if you don't have the health and vitality to use them. Thus, in this module, I'm going to share with you the Health Attraction Mantra to boost your health and longevity so that you have the unlimited physical vibrancy and vitality to enjoy every bit of life. The word health is an important factor today in everybody's life because if we are physically and mentally healthy, we can definitely enjoy a healthy, long life as well. Think of your body as your vehicle. Some people call it the temple, and the body is the only vehicle you have in this one life. So do you want to be in a crappy vehicle that will break down any moment or a high-power, luxurious sports ride? Well, you decide. Good and strong health is not something that is sold at a grocery store, but it is something that we have to create and also maintain at the same time. Did you know that the thing most affected by optimism is physical health? Think mind-body connection. If the brain thinks positively, that energy will radiate into the body as well. This simply explains the importance of optimism in maintaining good health. But the question is, what is the key to unlocking the Health Attraction Mantra? And that is what I'm going to share in this module. To unlock the Health Attraction Mantra, you need to maintain high positive vibrations and a passionate, emotional state about your desires and intentions. This all begins with your beliefs and your thoughts. But before we talk about the ways to unlock the Health Attraction Mantra, let's talk about the positive effects that positive thinking or optimism could have on our health. Remember that you should never underestimate the power of positive thinking. It can transform your mental life, boosting your daily happiness levels and expediting your path to success. The benefits of a more positive outlook can also extend to your physical health in some interesting and surprising ways. Here are some positive effects that the Health Attraction Mantra could have on your health. 1. Increased lifespan. 2. Positive thinking could improve your immunity. 3. Positive thinkers cope better with stress. Living longer is something we can all be happier about. But did you know that a positive outlook could influence more than just your mood? People who are optimistic are more committed to their goals, more successful in achieving their goals, more satisfied with their lives, and have better mental and physical health when compared to the pessimists. Positive thinkers are keener to eat healthy foods, engage in regular exercise, and practice forms of preventative health care. By focusing on the good in life and making it your mission to take a constructive approach to problems, you set yourself up for a happier, longer life. Not just that, positive thinking could also improve your immunity. Your mind can have a powerful effect on your body. Immunity is one area where your thoughts and attitudes can have a particularly powerful influence. Did you also know that optimism doesn't just boost your mood? Positive thinkers who are happier or more optimistic about their dreams and goals have a stronger immune response. They tend to react in healthier ways to stress, helping them to recover more quickly. Fascinating research on the connections between physical and mental health support the initially perplexing claim that positive thinking can boost resistance to disease. In one study, researchers found that people with upbeat attitudes catch fewer colds and flu viruses and show that patients who are diagnosed with potentially terminal illnesses tend to experience more consistent and significant improvements after receiving treatments. The third positive effect that the Health Attraction Mantra could have on your health is that you can cope better with stress. Stress is a major problem for many people. A hectic, stressful job, a chaotic home life, bills to worry about, and bad habits such as unhealthy eating, drinking, and smoking can lead to a mountain of stress. If your life is full of stress like mine once was, then you'll love the positive effect that the Health Attraction Mantra can have on your health. Did you know that positive people tend to handle things better than negative people? They are able to concentrate better on finding solutions instead of being distracted by negative elements. Aside from this, you can also face any stressful situation with an improved focus. This helps you worry less and cope better. Now that you already know the positive effects that the Health Attraction Mantra can have on your health, I'm pretty sure you're excited to know the ways to unlock the Health Attraction Mantra. Without further ado, let's get started. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps to unlock your Health Attraction Mantra. First, you have to set goals. followed by visualizing those goals being actualized, and then to accept the actualization of those goals as it occurs. Always remember to set goals. Now, you may ask, why is it important to set goals? Because it gives you a sense of direction and it can improve your outlook on life. You need to have clear goals in order to unlock the health attraction mantra. Write down a detailed description of exactly what you want to accomplish. By doing so, it requires you to get a well-defined mental image first. The very process of putting your thoughts into words creates clarity. For instance, cutting down 20 pounds in 3 months. Perhaps you've been trying to lose 20 pounds for years, but have never succeeded. In the past, you've decided to do it multiple times, but you simply never followed through. Using the health attraction mantra can now achieve this goal with much less effort, suffering, and internal struggle. You can start by fixing your focus on the goal, weight loss. Decide that it is something you need to do. Find reasons to support this goal and constantly remind yourself of these reasons. It could be to be healthier, to not be remembered as the fat one, to boost your confidence level, to surpass the limits you thought you had. Once you have truly accepted that this goal is worthy of the struggle it will bring, move into the second phase, the visualization phase. After you are done with setting clear-cut goals, you have to visualize those goals being actualized. With the previous example that I mentioned, which is to cut down 20 pounds in 3 months, all you have to do for this step is to imagine how you will lose that weight. Visualize yourself working hard in the gym and following a strict diet plan that requires sacrifice. These are all important things to see and to realize, and there's no better way to do it than by using the health attraction mantra. Just remember, if you want to attract a slimmer version of yourself into your life, then you will need to fix your mind on that image. If you want your body to look like that of the Victoria's Secret models, all you have to do is imagine yourself having that body and fix your mind on that image. The final step is to accept the actualization of those goals as it occurs. Have you realized that up until now, you have been projecting yourself into this vision that exists in the future? But let's reverse that. Instead of projecting yourself into a future reality, allow yourself to receive that reality in the present tense. Open yourself to the realization of the goal. Visualize how making these changes will improve your life. See yourself in the future after you have slimmed down. Do you feel healthier? Do you feel happier? Do you feel more attractive and self-confident? You might be feeling uneasy, but the final step of the activation of the health attraction mantra involves becoming comfortable with the realization of your goals. And this is precisely what you have to do if you wish to attain your goal and be successful.